In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and sign in to Shein using your preferred method, whether it be through email, mobile, Google, or Facebook. Let's walk through this simple process together to ensure you can access your account effortlessly whenever you want to explore Shein's vast array of products. To get started, head over to your web browser and type in Shein.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the Shein homepage where you can begin your fashion journey. If you already have the Shein app, simply open it and you'll be ready to follow along with the next steps. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see various categories, promotions, and some of the current fashion highlights that Shein offers. But for now, let's focus on signing in to your account. Toward the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll spot the Sign in Register option. Click on this and you'll be prompted to either log in or create a new account. It's really quite straightforward from here. In this next section, you'll be met with options to sign in using your email or mobile number, or you can choose the seamless integration with Google or Facebook. No matter which method you select, Shein makes it easy and secure to access your account. If you opt for the email or mobile route, simply enter your details and proceed to log in. On the other hand, if you prefer using Google or Facebook for that streamlined experience, click the respective button, and you'll be asked to give permission for Shein to acquire the necessary credentials from your chosen service. This way, you won't have to remember yet another password. Convenience at its best. Whichever method you choose, once you've completed these steps, you will be successfully signed into your Shein account. That's all there is to it. You're ready to add items to your wish list, track your orders, and possibly start shopping right away. Navigating Shein becomes a breeze once you've got these sign-in essentials down pat. It's extremely helpful to remember that your chosen login method will become your default for future visits. So if you've signed in using Google this time, you might want to stick with it for continuity and speed in the future. With your account now accessible at your fingertips, you can explore Shein's broad range of apparel, accessories, and more whenever you wish, without any hassle. And with that, you're all set. I hope this guide provided the clarity you needed to access Shein swiftly and securely. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.